In this video, I will show how to write in right and left side in the same line in Google Docs, as we can see here. So open your Google Docs. Now type your text here. So we will start from left side text, then right click on ruler, then here click on add left tab stop. So you will see this new arrow. Now just press tab on your keyboard. Now write your right side text. Now move this cursor and keep where you need. Now press enter. So your cursor move into right side, left side. Now type your text, then press tab to move your cursor in the right side. Tab. Like this. So both way you can write in Google Docs in the left side and right side. Thanks for watching.